In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Canva designs from one account to another, and also how to copy a design to a different team within the same account. For this tutorial, I have opened two different Canva accounts, so let's start with the first method. As you can see, I already have the design here that I want to transfer to my other Canva account. So, to get started, click on the three dots on the design. From the menu that appears, choose the Share option. Now, Canva will ask you to enter the email address of the account you want to share this design with. So, let's quickly go to the other Canva account and find its email address. And here you can see the email address connected to this account. Let's copy this email address and go back to the first Canva account. Now, paste or enter the email address here. On the right side, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose the access level. Click on the drop-down and select the Edit option. This is important because we want to be able to edit the design from the other account. Once you've selected the Edit option, simply click Share. Canva will now share the design with the other account. So, let's switch back to the second account. If you don't see anything right away, simply refresh the page so Canva can load the new notification. And here, you can see a new notification for the design we just shared. Let's click on the notification. And now you can see that the design is available in this account as well. We can open it and continue editing it just like any other Canva design. So, that's the first method for transferring a Canva design from one account to another. Now, let's look at the second method. This time, we'll transfer a design within the same Canva account, from a personal account to another team account. So, let's go back to the design we want to transfer. Click on the three dots, and this time, you'll see an option called Copy to Another Team. Let's click on that. Canva will now show you the teams available in your account. From here, simply select the team where you want to copy the design. Click on the team name, and then click Copy. And that's it. Canva will copy the design to that team instantly. Now, let's go to the team account and check if the design has been copied successfully. If you don't see the design on the home page, there's no need to worry. Just open the projects page, and you should find the new design there. And as you can see, the design is now available in the team account as well. So, these are two simple ways to move your Canva designs between accounts or copy them to another team. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tutorials.